Hello everybody, and welcome to the Crown Lounge. So we got going right now is a Cottontail Martini. Would have probably been a good one for Easter, but didn't think about this on Easter. Anywho, this is like a fun, coconutty, tropical drink that it should be perfect for spring and going into the summer. So first we're going to start off with 2 ounces of a vanilla vodka. Can't really be a martini without vodka, right? Next, we're going to go 2 ounces of coconut cream. This is a very heavy coconut forward cocktail. Make sure we get all our ounces out of there. And again, we'll make it in a shaker cup because coconut cream is thick. And we need that action. Break it up and mix it well. Next, we're going to go with 1 ounce of a coconut rum. I'm using 90 proof because it's a little stronger. This is a sweet drink. You can use a Malibu or whatever you want to use. I just think it needs a higher proof with the sweetness that we got. We're going to go 1 ounce. Last, we're going to go with 1 ounce of pineapple juice. Fresh or however you want it. I'm sure you got these little cans around the house because you drink. You're not watching this because you don't drink. 1 ounce of pineapple juice. We got ice in here. We're going to give it a good shake. Top on there good. So we're going to strain it in a martini glass. So you could festival this up, right? You could like maybe put a little honey on the rim and do like coconut around the edges because this is a coconut forward drink. Or however you want to do your, do your rim. But I'm just trying to drink. So here we go. So what we have is a Cottontail Martini. Cheers. If you are a fan of coconut, you would really, really love this. Again, I think going with the higher proof coconut rum is the better option. You do as you want to do. I really enjoy this because I love coconut. Anywho, do not forget to like, follow, and share. Till next time, cheers.